opinion, why do some men dislike independent women?
They think they know everything, but sometimes they are wrong.
So there is an outrage in the women group. So they are pushing this independent. We don't need men, or a woman without a man is like a fish without a bicycle.
How about you? Are you independent or dependent? In your opinion, why do some men dislike independent women?
It's because they feel intimidated or threatened by independent women
Since what?
hmm,
Since they're independent, like they can also do stuff that men.
yes, they can do stuff like man does. So yes.
So that's it. They feel threatened.
No, they feel intimidated.
Intimidated. Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Oh, no, hold on. Don't be okay. How about you? Are you independent or dependent?
I'm currently dependent to my parent, but after I graduate, I will become independent soon.
Okay. You're a college student, right?
Yes po.
Are you single or do you have like a boyfriend?
I'm single.
Since birth.
Yes.
Wow. And what course are you taking?
Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Nursing. In your opinion, why do some men dislike independent women?
I think some men dislike independent women because they don't like the feeling of being, what's the term?
Being what? What's the term?
Dominated.
Dominated, and because it steps their ego when some women are above them.
Okay. How about you? Are you independent or dependent?
I consider myself as dependent because I independent because I grew up being mostly self-reliant. I do not like being feeling like I'm a burden to somebody. So as much as possible I do things on my own, and I as much as possible I avoid being reliant on someone.
Okay. Being okay, dependent. Are you both like singles or do you have like boyfriends?
I have a boyfriend.
I don't have
You
boyfriend.
don't have since birth?
No, I did have a boyfriend, but we already.
Okay. And both are college students.
Yes.
Okay. What course are you taking? Just being nosy?
Nursing.
Nursing both?
Yes.
Wow.
Classmates.
Classmates are beautiful. In your opinion, why do some men dislike independent women?
Well, I think some men think of women as objects, to just properties in some cases. But I think that's my opinion with regards to that. But in my personal opinion, women and men should be partners, and then they should be not competitive to each other, because that's how you build a better society. So if women and men are being, in Bicol we call it binubulang to each other,
Fight for each other
what do you call this one,
in competition.
oh yeah, as I've mentioned, I think we will not prosper as a society, or as a civilization. So yeah, I don't deny that some men sees women as just a sort of trophy or properties or something that they can collect. So there is an outrage in the women group. So they are pushing this independent. We don't need men, or a woman without a man is like a fish without a bicycle. They telling slogans like that. But I hope in the future that men and women will see each other as partners and to build a better society.
So it's like the reason why some men dislike independent women because they feel like it's
It triggers them. I'm not really fun with the term toxic masculinity, but I see it with other men like me, that it threatens their capacity, and then their especially in roles, or in leading a like a city or a barangay. So they see like women as a competition. But I hope we see, especially to my fellow men, let's see our fellow women as partners, and as a what do you call this one, a let's help each other to build a better community and society, and also of course to build society through procreation, and other things, and arts and everything, scientific, health, etc.
How about you, sir? Which one do you prefer? Independent or dependent partner?
Codependent, probably. I think because I've seen both sides, the toxic femininity, or and then the toxic masculinity. They just hate each other. So I don't want it hating each other. I think it would be better for the two teams, the men, I mean for men and women, to cooperate for a good aim, I mean better goal, for the for the better.
In your opinion, why do some men dislike independent women?
So I think for myself, other men dislike independent women because some of the women are they think they know everything, but sometimes they are wrong. So
So that's why they don't like.
yes,
Okay. How about you? Which one do you prefer? An independent woman or dependent woman?
a dependent woman because for me, I would like my girlfriend to depend on me because as a man, I want to be a masculine. Yun.
Okay, I see. Well, anyway, thank you so much for sharing your opinion with us. Thank you. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflections